Very good morning. It's Mark here. It is Thursday, March the 20th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. US session about to get underway. Interesting day, seeing a turnaround from yesterday, meaning US dollar index strengthening today after a sell-off yesterday. S&P coming down today after a small rally yesterday. So we're seeing the inverse relationship play out. Gold coming down that little bit, maybe some profit taking, and oil pretty much level where it has been for the past week. And Bitcoin, after yesterday's move higher, breaking above previous resistance level, coming down a little bit today. So let's have a look in detail, starting with the dollar index as always. There you can see yesterday it showed some strength yesterday, then post-Fed announcement did come down again, but today buyers have stepped in at support levels just below the 103 level, 102.96, all the way up to 105, 103.53. If I look at the hourly, there you can see that range bouncing up off the supported 103, and there's the 103.63, 103, 103.50 is the range for now. As the US session gets underway, let's see if buyers can continue, break above the 103.63 area. Alternatively, if sellers do step in and we see a continuation of the downtrend. Let's have a look at S&P. Bear in mind, we're a good hour and a half away from Wall Street opening. And there we had yesterday's rally following the Fed announcement. However, sellers have stepped in pre-market opening. And from firstly, let's see, it gapped up to start after the close yesterday, opened up at 5,745, went that little bit higher up to resistance, 5,758, and now has gone all the way down to 5,678, come up that little bit here. Let's have a look on the hourly. Let's zoom in, and there you can see a nice picture of it. There is the resistance level, support area where we are right now. Like I say, it's a good hour and a half until Wall Street opens. Let's see if the momentum that we saw yesterday and buyers pushing and maintaining the small rally we saw yesterday in the equity markets, and interesting whether the inverse relationship with the US dollar and equities continues, because that's what we are seeing so far this morning. We are seeing US dollar strengthening and S&P coming down. Let's have a look at gold. Let's start off on the daily. And there you can see a bit of a sell-off this morning. Don't know how long that will last for. Tested support at 3,023. Could well be an opportunity for buyers to rejoin the level. And even in coming down today, still set a new record high, a little bit higher than yesterday. You can see that. If I zoom into the hourly, there you can see there's the new 3,058 is the new record high resistance, coming down to the 3,023 area. It looks like buyers already might be stepping in. We'll see as the US session gets underway whether there is demand at these levels, because that's certainly what we have seen for a long time with gold. Let's have a look at Brent oil, which had been pretty flat. There you can see pretty much the same. Yesterday, a doji trading within this narrow range between $69.50 and $70.50, still contained within that range. Buyers will look to break above the 70.63 to try to get above $71. Of course, sellers looking to trade below the $70 mark. On the hourly, there is that range. There's the support level, 69.5. There is the resistance, 70.80. Looks like buyers stepping in at the moment and sitting at that 70.64, close to yesterday's close. So we'll watch and see as the US session now gets underway. And Bitcoin, strong day yesterday for Bitcoin, broke above this $85, which had acted as resistance for the past week to 10 days, clearly broke above there. This early trade went a little bit higher. There you can see 87,400. It has come back to that 85,000 level. That 85,000 level certainly looking pivotal. It has been a support area, and you can see it's acting that way again. Let's zoom into the hourly. And there you can see how this resistance area of 85,000 now acting as a support area. Buyers will want to maintain above that 85,000 back to the 87,000 or possibly higher, really looking for 90,000 is what the buyers would be looking for. And of course, sellers want to maintain below that 85,000 and get to the low 80,000 area. Good trading. I'll see you at end of day.